Oopsie, something came on here. Keep trying Wi-Fi. Okay. Yeah.
Like the small wet.
No, it's fine, babe. You know better, so do what you gotta think right. You made dinner yet? Of course not. Lunch. Sorry, breakfast, not dinner. Do a little more on top so you can open the window doors. Doesn't fall in.
I didn't start yet.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Oh, the whole thing? Oh, good job, baby. There you go. Good job. You missed a couple spots. Am I gonna get hit by the broom? There you go. You do realize when you're done, I'm going to say, what took you so long? I love you. Gotta have fun. So what took you so long, babe? I love you.
Did you want this?
No. It's too loose. You can't make snowball or snowman. It's not heavy snow. Unfortunately. Fortunately for me. I'm not getting hit by a snowball, but yeah, it's okay. That's fine. Once you put the defroster on, it will take care of it.
See, I clean your car. It's gonna look clean. I use my clothes and wipe it.
Oh, and who's gonna do laundry? I am, of course. Yeah. Good job, baby. Good job. Dad's on strike. Laundry's on strike.
เอาเสือทำความสะอาดรถค่ะพี่น้องแล้วก็คนซักผ้าสามีค่ะแม่ไม่เคยซักผ้า
No, I'm not doing laundry. You just love playing with the snow. That's what it is. Okay, that's okay. You don't have to take everything off. I'll come off. More for me to clean on the ground, baby, if you take it off. Okay, clean the back window, please.
Wipe off all the dust.
You know, like you did in the summertime, you get a hose and clean it if you really want to clean it. I always follow you.
If not, no lunch for you.
I got lunch anyway.
Come on, follow me.
We have sushi.
Come on, follow me.
Lunch, you didn't make me breakfast. We got a lunch. Lucky if I got lunch.
Yes, you already have no breakfast. I just my hand. This side, come on. Look at this. I'm gonna wipe it off. Destroy it.
You just want to play with the snow. That's all you want to do.
Yeah, destroy it.
Oi.
Okay,
Now I have to wipe the snow off myself. It was pretty clean all morning, babe. I was doing quite well.
So you're gonna do laundry, right? Because all wet.
Yeah, not today.
Not today. There's nothing to wear.
Okay. Sure, I'll do it when I get home.
That's good, husband. You have to say yes.
Am I gonna get lunch?
ma'am.
Am I gonna get lunch?
You say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, that's enough, babe. It's fine. You're good.
Okay.
Yeah, don't go crazy. There's no need to. I have to finish up.
And
Good job.
oyster sauce, salt pine, mushroom soy sauce, salt เห็ดค่ะซีอิ๊วขาวซอสเห็ดค่ะ